Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Welcome to the problem number 31.2. This is chapter 31, alternating current. So in this question we are given that there is a sinusoidal current I equals to I cos omega t, where omega is the frequency of the sinusoidal current and I is the amplitude of the current. So this I is the amplitude. So we are given that the IRMS, which is the root mean square of current value, is 2.10 ampere. So we have three parts of this question and we have the formulas here. So we have I rectified average. So this is the average of the rectified current or the rectified circuit. So which has each 2 over pi times I. And this I is the amplitude of the current or the maximum current. And we have another formula which is the, the simple circuit. So we have I equals to root under 2 IRMS. So let's do the part one. So we have part A. So we have I equals to root under 2 IRMS. So amplitude of the current is root 2 times 2.10, which is equals to 2.97 ampere. Now going to the B part. So we need to find out the rectified current or the current in rectified circuit and the average of that. So the formula is rectified average equals to 2 over pi times I. So the I is the current amplitude, so this gives us 2 over pi times 2.97. So this comes out to be 1.89 ampere. So that's your answer for part B. Now going to the part C. So which one is the larger? So we can see that IRMS is 2.10 and I rectifier is 1.89. So we have IRMS greater than I rectified average. And this is true because if you look at the diagrams of the waves, so if you're finding out, so let's say this is our current. So we have, so this is our current I, and this is our time, and this is the maximum, which is the I amplitude. So this I is equals to I cos omega t. So the average of the rectified ones, so definitely if we look at the average one, so this would be for the rectified one. So this is the rectified one. So definitely we have this graph and the average will be something maybe this one. So let's say this is the I rectified average. But looking at the IRMS, so the IRMS, so this would be I square. So this would be this graph as follows. So we have, so definitely we have these values in addition to the IRMS, which is I square, and the average of this value would be greater than that value. So let's say this is the value, and definitely this has to be greater than the I rectified average. So we have IRMS greater than I rectified average. So that's your answer for this question. Thank you for watching the video.